Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an unfiltered, comprehensive assessment of Vyond, the absolute powerhouse dominating corporate e-learning and promotional video creation. While the generative space is currently flooded with rapid text-to-video platforms, Vyond remains a massive corporate titan because it merges traditional timeline control with modern, cutting-edge artificial intelligence. The major triumph of this engine lies within Vyond Go, its text-to-video tool that instantly turns rough notes, scripts, or simple business URLs into complex, multi-scene animated video drafts in less than 2 minutes. Their software framework also includes ultra-realistic text-to-speech voice cloning, a video-to-action pipeline that extracts movements directly from uploaded real-world clips to apply them to cartoon characters, and a massive library of over 1,000 advanced artificial intelligence avatars that allow you to blend flat vector cartoons with presenter-led corporate videos seamlessly. However, adopting Vyond across your business comes with heavy financial stress and notable production bottlenecks. The platform has moved to a highly restrictive credit-based download structure, meaning if their generative artificial intelligence misinterprets your prompt or renders an inconsistent character face, you will completely burn through your monthly allocation with an absolute zero refund policy. Pricing is also notoriously steep, starting at an aggressive $58 a month for the starter tier, which locks down advanced collaboration tools, limits resolution quality, and slaps a visible watermark on your videos. Ultimately, Vyond is a flawless, time-saving ecosystem for high-end human resource departments, training teams, and enterprise agencies, but solo content creators should look for cheaper alternatives. Subscribe the channel for more videos.